True to its name, hard water can be tough on plumbing. You may think hard water isn't very common, but about 85% of homes in America deal with it. What is hard water? It's water with high levels of dissolved minerals, usually calcium and magnesium. It's safe to drink, but it can leave your dishes spotty, your laundry dull, and your skin itchy. And it's even worse for your plumbing. Over time, hard water can clog your pipes with mineral deposits, slowing water flow and putting pressure on the entire system. Think you have hard water? Get it tested. Send a sample to a lab for a full report on mineral levels and other substances. Thankfully, the solution to hard water is simple. Have a professional install a water softener. Water softeners flush minerals out of hard water using a brine solution of salt and water along with resin beads to trap minerals. For more information about water softeners and to purchase one for your home, visit supplyhouse.com. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.